In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize headers, footers, and page numbers in Google Docs if you're working on a report, school paper, business document, or any file that needs a more polished look. Adding these page elements can make your document feel much more organized and professional. The good news is that Google Docs makes this process very simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your Google Docs document. Make sure you're inside the file where you want to make the changes because headers, footers, and page numbers are added directly within that specific document. Once the document is open, take a quick look at the top menu bar, since that's where all the options we need will be found. Next, click Insert. This menu is where Google Docs keeps a lot of useful tools for adding content and formatting elements to your document. If you've never used it before, don't worry. Everything is grouped in a way that's easy to navigate. After clicking Insert, go to Page Elements. This section brings together the options related to the top and bottom areas of your pages, along with page numbering. It's especially helpful when you want your document to follow a more formal layout, or when you need page numbers for easier reference. From there, you can choose to add headers, footers, and page numbers. If you select a header, you'll be able to place text at the top of each page. This is useful for things like document titles, section names, or other repeated information. If you choose a footer, you can add content to the bottom of each page instead. Many people use footers for notes, dates, or document details. You can also insert page numbers from this same area. Google Docs usually gives you a few layout options, so you can decide where the numbering should appear and how it should start. This is helpful if you want numbering on every page, or if you need a cleaner format for the first page of your document. Once you choose the option you want, just click into the header or footer area and type your text, or select the page number style that fits your needs. If necessary, you can always go back to the same Insert and Page Elements menu later to adjust things. And that's it. You now know how to customize headers, footers, and page numbers in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.